Hello,
Hello, teacher.
what's your name?
My name is Nam.
What do you like about your hometown?
I like my hometown because um, people in my hometown is kind and friendly.
What do you dislike about your neighborhood?
My neighborhood um, usually singing at night and I can't sleep.
Are computers important to you?
Yes, because important is modern and I like to learn about the world.
Cool. Do you prefer eating out or cooking at home?
I like cooking at home because it's happy and exciting.
City or countryside?
City because it's modern and has a skyscraper.
Very good. Well done, Nam.